Good morning, children. Welcome to this class. In this session, we will learn the third chapter, right? So, in the previous sessions, we completed the two chapters, right? First one is larger numbers. In that chapter, we will learn what are the larger numbers. In the second chapter, we learn that is addition and subtraction of larger numbers, right? Now, we are going to learn third chapter, right? That is multiplication of larger numbers. What is the chapter name? Multiplication of large numbers. The chapter name is multiplication of larger numbers, right? In the fourth class, you already learned the 4-digit multiplied by 1 digit, right? The process, that method, everything is same for the larger number also, right? Just we will learn the different, that means larger numbers, but the process to multiply the numbers is same. Okay, now first we learn the multiplication of 4-digit number by 2 digit. Okay, multiplication of, I will write here, multiplication of 4-digit number by 2-digit number. Okay, so first we learn 4-digit number by the 2-digit number, right? So in the fourth class you learn multiplication of 4-digit number by 1 digit, right? How the method you did, right? The same method, right? That means I will explain that, but we'll take the 2-digit number, right? First 4-digit number, example, right? This is the 4-digit number. Now this you should multiply it with 2-digit number. Let's take 78. What is the multiplication symbol? Cross, right? This is the multiplication symbol. So multiplication process start with the ones place digit, right? That means the first step, the given 4-digit number is multiplied by ones place, right? The next step, you should multiply given number by tens place number. Then add the those two steps values and you will get the final result. That final result will be called as the product of these two numbers, right? Now I am going to do the step by step, just listen. See, first we should multiply ones place, right? And with given number. What is the ones place digit? That is 8. 8 6 are, right? 48. 8 6 are 48. I hope all students you are thorough with the tables, right? At least up to 15 table you should know, right? Let's see. 8 6 are, I am writing here, 8 6 are 48. What is the value we got here? 48. See, 48 is 2-digit number. So, we'll write here only 1 digit. That means ones place digit we should write here. Then what is the value? That is 8. Next, left value, that means tens place digit 4 will write as a carry. Okay. Now next, 8 into 3. 8 3s are. Next you will multiply 8 with 3. 8 3s are. How much? 8 3s are 24, right? 8 3s are, we got 24. But this carry is there, right? 4 as a carry we got, right? Now you should add this 4 to this product of 8 into 3. 8 into 3 product 24 we got, right? Now you should add this carry. 24 plus 4. What is the value? That is 28. What is the value? 28. Again 2-digit number. We should write here only 1 digit and second digit, that is tens place digit should write as a carry forward. Next, 8 ones are 8. So, you should add this carry also. 8 ones are 8 plus 2. That means 10. 10 again 2-digit number. I will write here 0 only. 1 as a carry forward. Next, 8 twos are What is the value 8 twos are? That is 16. How much carry we have? That is 1. 16 plus 1, 17. So again we don't have any numbers, so I will write complete 17 here. I hope clear first step. The 4-digit given number we multiplied with the 2-digit number. First step we multiplied ones place. Right? Next step is you should multiply with tens place digit. Right? Tens place digit. What is the tens place digit? We have 7. Right? That means now complete this number we should multiply with the tens place. That is, what is the value we have? That is 7. That means we are multiplying 7 with this number. That means 7 is in tens place. That means we are multiplying this complete number into 70. Right? Is it right? We are multiplying 7 with, actually we are multiplying with 70 into this number completely. That means I will write here first 0. I hope why I am writing here 0 is clear, right? We are multiplying tens place digit. That means what is the tens place digit here? 7. That means we are multiplying 70. So first place we have 0. That's why I written 0. Right? Next, start with the 7. 7 6 are, how much 7 6 are? 42. Again 2-digit number. I will write 2 here and 4 as a carry forward. Next, 7 3s are, what is the value 7 3s are? That is 21. How much carry we have already? That is 4. 21 plus 4, that is 25. I hope why I am adding this carry here is there 4. That's why I am adding the 4. 25 2-digit. I write here 5. 2 as a carry forward. Again 7 ones are 7 plus carry. Right? Getting the point? 7 ones are 7 plus 2 carry. That is 9. 7 twos are 14. Now, third step. The third step you should add these two. This is the addition symbol. Right? Now, add these two numbers. 8 plus 0. If you add 0 to any number, the number remains same. That means 0 plus 8 value is 8. 8 plus 2, 10. That means 1 here, 1 carry. Right? 10 means 2-digit number. Next, 5 plus 0 plus 1. 6. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7, 16. 16, 2-digit number. Right? So, I should write here 6. And 1 as a carry forward, right? This is 6. Next, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1 carry is there, right? 5 plus 1, that is 6. And 1 should write as 6. This is the final answer. The final answer is called as a product, right? The multiplication of these two numbers, right? The result of this multiplication of two numbers is called a product. We multiplied 4-digit number by 2-digit number. What is the first step? That the given number should multiply with ones place. That means with ones value. Next step, you should multiply with the tens place value. So whenever you multiply in tens place, the first place you will keep the, that means you put 0 in the ones place, right? Whenever you are multiplying tens place digit, so starting in ones place you will put the 0. Remember, okay? Next step, adding up these two, and this is the final answer that we call product. I hope clear how we multiplied 4-digit number by 2-digit, right? Now, next we'll see the same multiplication of 4-digit number by 3-digit, right? So now this is process of 2-digit, right? Next by the 3 digits. That means here you will get one more digit. Okay, I am rubbing this one. Okay. Next, 4-digit multiplication by 3-digit number, right? So again I am taking one 4-digit number example. Right? This 4-digit number, just I will write up. Right? Excuse me. This 4-digit number. Now Now we should multiply by 3-digit number. I am taking one 3-digit number. Now what is the symbol? This is the multiplication symbol. Right? Now same, right? First given number multiplied by ones, next tens, next 100. This is the step by step process. Now start with one digit into this number. 5 fours are 5 fours are 20. 2-digit number, 0 should be here. 2 as a carry forward. Next 5 into 3. 5 threes are. Right? What is the 5 threes value? How much 5 threes are? 15. Next, how much carry is there? This carry we need to add this product, right? 2. 15 plus 2, that is 17. Again 2-digit number, 7 should be here. 1 has a carry forward. Next, 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. Right? No need to write here, right? 5 2s are 10. The product of these two value is there, that is 10. Now you need to add this carry to that value. 10. 5 2s are 10 plus 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 carry, that is 11. Again we got 2-digit number, 1 here, 1 has carry forward. Next 5 1s are 5 plus 1, that is 6. This is the first step. Clear, student? Next step is ones place digit we multiplied complete number. Now next you multiply with tens place digit, right? What is the tens place digit? 2. Right? Again what I told just before, if you multiply tens place digit, you should keep in ones place 0. That means you are multiplying 2 means actually you are multiplying with 20 because 2 is in tens place. That's why I kept here 0. Right? Now 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. I rubber here the carry forwards, right? If you keep also there's not any problem, right? So if you keep carry as it is, or you can rub that, it's nothing will change the value. Okay, so don't worry, I rub it that means I erase carries here. Okay, now 2 1s are 2. We completed, right? See, again I am explaining second steps. First we done with the ones place digit. Now I started here tens place digit. But when you are multiplying tens place means that you are multiplying with 20. That means here 2 is there, that means 20. If it is 3, that you are multiplying with 30, like that. Okay. Now I kept here 0. Right. Next 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Right. Now we completed second step also. In the previous, like they given 2 digits. But now one more digit is there, right? That is 1. 1 is in which place? Hundreds place. We are multiplying this number with 1. That means actually we are multiplying given number with 100. Why? This 1 is in hundreds place. That means we are multiplying with 100. Right? That means how many zeros we have to put here first? 2 zeros. Okay? You are multiplying in tens place digit means you will put 1 0. You are multiplying with hundreds place with digit means you will put the 2 zeros. Getting the point, student? Next, 1 4s are 4. 1 3s are 3. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1 only. Okay. Now what is the final step? That is third step. You need to add these 3. Right? What is, when you add 3 zeros, what is the value? 0 only, right? 0 plus 0, 0 only. If you add 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, number of times, any number of times, if you add 0, the value, the result is 0 only. Next, 7 plus 8, 15. Again, 15 2-digit number. What should write here? What I should write here? That is 5 only. 1 should has a carry forward. Next, 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. We should add this carry also. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 also 2-digit number. I write here 2 and 1 as a carry forward. So I think you are able to see this carry also, right? I am writing here with small numbers, right? Now 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus this 1, 14. Again 2-digit number, 4 should here, 1 as a carry. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. This is 1. This is the final product. When you multiply 4-digit number by 3-digit number, right? What is the I hope clear, right? First step, you need to multiply given number with ones. Next, you should multiply given number with tens place digit. Next, you should multiply with the hundred place digit. Then you need to add all these, and this is the final product. I hope clear, right? The process of multiplying 4-digit by 3-digit number. I hope clear. Next. So, in the exercise 1, this third chapter in the exercise 1, you have the only one question. In that you have number of bits, right? In exercise, right, 3.1. See? So, only one bit you have, right? So, in this so many number of questions you have, just you need to multiply 4-digit number by 2-digit, right? So, you should do. I explained two, right, examples. After this, after the class, one more I will explain from the exercise also. Then the remaining bits you should do yourself in homework book, okay? Complete exercise sums, remaining you should do, okay? Next, we will learn that is 5-digit number, right? Multiplication of 5-digit number by 1 digit, right? So, what is our next concept? Multiplication of 5-digit number with by a single digit. Okay, first we will learn the by a single digit, right? By a single digit. Okay, so multiplication of 5-digit number by a single digit number. Now again I will take the 5-digit number. Right, this is the 5-digit number. How many digits we have in the given number? That is 5 digits. So you need to do the multiplication of this 5-digit number by a single digit, right? You can take any single digit number. Now I am taking now 4. Right? Now 4 given number you are multiplying with ones place, that is only 1 digit we have, okay? Same procedure how you multiplied like for 4 digit also, right? The method is same. Now 4 sevens are 28, right? What is the value? 4 sevens are 28, 2-digit number. 8 here and 2 has a carry forward. Next 4 6 are, yeah, this I didn't see 7 fours are, right? 4 sevens are, 7 fours are, the value is same, that does not change, right? Don't confuse that teacher is written here 7 fours, right? That actually means 7 into 4, right? 28. 4 into 7 or 7 into 4, the value will not change, right? Next 4 6 are, 4 into 6, 4 6 are 24. What is the carry we have? That is 2. That means what is the final? That is 26. Having 2 digits, we will write 6 here, 2 as a carry forward. Next 4 fours are. What is the value of 4 fours are? That is 16. Are you able to see that? 4 fours are 16. Next 2. We have to add carry, right? That is 18. 18 means 8 should here and 1 as a carry forward. Next 4 twos are 8. 4 twos are 8 plus 1. What is the value? That is 9. Next 4 ones are 4. Right? This is the final answer. That is product of 5-digit number by a single digit number. We taken 5-digit one number and we multiplied with the single digit number with like 4. This is the process, right? I think easy. 5-digit number by single digit number, right? Next, clear this? Next we will multiply 5-digit number by 2-digit number, right? This will little bit lengthy. That's not difficult, but no, we'll multiply 5-digit by 2-digit number, right? Next, I am taking the one example. Right? This is the 5-digit number. Now you need to multiply 5-digit number with 2-digit number. Right? 25. Right? What is the first step you need to do? That is, you have to multiply given number by ones place digit. Right? What is the ones place digit? That is 5. 5 ones are 5 only. Next, 5 twos are 10. 10 means 2-digit number. We should write only 1 digit and 1 as a carry forward. 5 twos are again 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 means you should write 1 here, 1 as a carry forward. Next, we completed 3. Next, 5 fours are 20. So, this is exactly ones place digit, tens, hundreds. Now, we should multiply thousands place digit. 5 into 4. Right? 5 into 4, that is 20. 20, how much carry we have here? 1, that is 21. That means you should write 1 here, 2 as a carry forward. Next, 5 is a 15. 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2, 17. So, this is the first step. I hope clear, right? Next, you should multiply with 2. That means tens place digit. You are multiplying 2 means I already told we are actually multiplying with the 20. That means when you are starting multiplication with the tens given number by tens place digit, first step you need to put the 0 in ones place, right? You starting tens place digit multiplication with given number means you should write first ones place 0. So don't forget to put the 0 here now. Next, right? 2 ones are 2, right? Next, 2 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, right? And again 2 twos are 4. Don't confuse, these are the carries of these all are the carries while doing the ones place digit. Okay, now 4 twos are 8, 2 threes are 6. Okay, now we should add this. Right? 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 2, 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 7 plus 8, 15, 5 and 1 should here, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. This is the final product. That means multiplication of 5-digit number by a 2-digit number. This is the final answer, right? I hope clear, student. So, now so, we learned the 4-digit number by 2-digit and 3-digit and 5-digit number by a single digit and 1 digit, right? So, based on this concept, first I will explain one sum from the exercise, okay, in this class only. Now, in the next session, we will learn the word problems based on this multiplication of numbers, okay. So, now I am going to again we will do few sums from the exercise, okay. So, number of bits are there in the exercise. That means the remaining things you need to do in your homework book, okay? Exercise 3.1. This is the first question. What is the question? That means multiply the following. This is the question. Multiply the following numbers, right? So many bits are given. If you explain the remaining things, you need to do in your homework book. Okay. See the students. What is the symbol? This is multiplication symbol. That means we need to perform the multiplication of how many digits? This is as 4 digits. And this number contains 2 digits. That means just now we learned in the second example, right? Multiplication of 4 digit by 2 digit number. First step is you should write the 4 digit number and multiplication symbol with 97, right? Now you need to multiply with ones place for and with given number, that is 7. 7 into 0. Listen here. If you multiply any number with 0, the value is 0 only. Right? In the previous session, we learned, right, if we add 0 or subtract 0 from any given number, the value will not change. Right? The number will as is. Like we learn 5 plus 0, 5 only. Right? 5 minus 0, 5 only. But 5 into 0, that means 0 only. Any number you multiply with 0, that means the value is 0. Remember, okay? Now, 7 into 0, that is 0 only. Next, 7 6 are 42, right? 7 6 are 42. I am writing here. 7 into 6, that is 42. 2 digit number, right? Ones digit will take, that is 2, and tens digit will has a carry forward. Next, 7 5s are, right? 7 5s are, that is 35. How much carry is there here? 4. 35 plus 4, 39. That means 9 here, 3 as a carry forward, right? Next, what is the value left? 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7 plus 3, 10. This is the first step. Next, you need to multiply 9, that is tens place digit into complete this number. 9 means you are multiplying actually with 90. So ones place you need to put the 0 while you are multiplying tens place digit with given number. Now 9 into 0. Any number multiplication with 0 means the value is 0. 9 6 are 54. 4 here and 5 as a carry forward, right? The previous carry forward was I am rubbing here, so don't confuse, right? Now 9 6 are 54. 54 is, right? 9 6 are, that is 54. 4 should be here and 5 as a carry forward. Next, 9 5s are, how much? 9 5s are 45. What is the carry we have? That is 5, right? 45 plus 5, 50. That means 0 here, 5 should be the carry. 9 ones are 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5, that is 14. Okay? Now the step is you need to add 0 plus 0, 0 only, 2 plus 0, 2, 9 plus 4, 13, 3 here, 1 carry, and 0 plus 0 plus 1 carry is there, 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 1. This is the answer for the first question in the exercise. First question, that is J bit. Okay, I hope clear. The small change is there with 0 multiplication. I explained this sum. So number of remaining bits you should do in your homework book, right? Only one bit is there in the exercise 3.1, right? Next, in exercise 3.2, right? Exercise 3.2. So, in the first question, first bit in the 3.2 exercise, multiply the following numbers, right? Again, so exercise 1 sums all are based on first concept, that is multiplication of 4-digit number, okay? Now exercise 3.2 sums are based on multiplication of 5-digit numbers, right? Now one bit 3. Exercise 3.2 first bit in the first question, okay? This is the multiplication of 5-digit into 1-digit number, right? First bit is multiplication of 5-digit number with 1. What is the symbol? This is multiplication, right? Into 7. So, given number you need to multiply with the 7. 7 5s are 35, right? 5 here, 3 should be the carry. Next, 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. Plus carry 3. That is 50. 9. Okay, 9 should be right. Don't confuse. 7 5 is 35. I written here 5 and 3 as a carry. Now 7 8 is 56 plus 3, that is 59. 9 should be here and 5 should be the carry. 7 4 is 28, right? Next, 7 4 is 28. Next, plus how much carry here we have? That is 5. 33. Again 3 here. 3 should be the carry forward. Next, 7 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 17. 7 should be here. 1 should has a carry forward. 7 1s are 7 plus 1 carry. That is 8. This is the product of given 5-digit number with single digit, right? Product 5-digit number with 7. I hope clear, right? This is in your exercise 3.2 first bit, first question. Okay. Next. So in this exercise only second bit, right? We'll do the second question. That means second bit. Second bit also same. Multiply the following numbers. Okay. That means we have the 2-digit number. Right? How to multiply 5-digit number? The first bit we multiply 5-digit number with 1 digit. Now second bit in this few questions 5-digit with 2-digit number we need to multiply, right? First I will write given 5-digit number, the multiplication symbol. Next 9, right? So 9 5 is 45. Okay. Next 4 as a carry forward, right? Why? Because 5 9s are 100 here. 5 9s are 45, right? So unit digit 5 should be here and 4 should be the carry forward, right? Next 9 into 0, 0 only, plus 4. You will write 4 here. 9 4s are 36, right? 6 here, 3 carry forward. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 3, 66. Next, 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 6, that is 78. Right? This is the first step. So, now next we need to multiply with tens place digit. That means in ones place you will put the 0. Right? You are multiplying 1, that is in tens place. That means actually you are multiplying with the 10. Right? 1 5 is 5. 1 into 0, 0. I told, right, any number multiplied with 0, the result is also 0. Next, 1 4 is 4. 1 7 is 7. 1 8 is 8. Okay. Next step is you need to add 0 plus 5, 5, 4 plus 5, 9, 6 plus 0, 6, 4 plus 6, 10, 0 here, 1, 8 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15, 1 carry, again 7 plus 8, 4, 15, right? 15 plus 1, 16. Yeah, 15 here, sorry. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 1 carry, that is 16. 6 here, 1 should be the carry. Okay. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. This is the final answer. Okay. When you multiply 5-digit number with 2-digit, this is the final product. That means final answer. I hope here the remaining bits you should do. Okay. We have the number of bits in the second bit, and in third bit also few questions we have, that is true or false statement questions. Read and try it. Okay. So in the next session we will learn the that is word problems based on the multiplication. Okay. See you in the next class.